Alright, so today we'll be seeing Windows Optimum 11, the fastest Windows 11 till now. And this is the interface. You can see majority of the bloatwares are already removed. We don't have any pre-installed apps. Neither we have the Microsoft Store, neither we have Xbox or any other security features that run in the background. And if I go to the task manager, you can see it is consuming very less of CPU and memory is only 19%. And you can see here it comes to around 2 to 3% of the CPU usage. And you can see the number of apps that are running, and you can see threads and the processes are only 65. That is very less. And if I go to the memory, you can see here it is only using 1 GB of memory. And this is the disk. It is almost using negligible speed. And here we have extras plus info. Like if I go here and I need to install some of the features that are not installed, so I can here install Microsoft Store by double clicking it. And if I want to install any browser, I can even install Edge, that is by default uninstalled here, and Chrome also, Firefox also. And if I want wallpapers, then I have some for 5 wallpapers here. And here I have options for widgets, and if I want to tweak Windows registry, then I can do it from here. And these are some of the features. You can see printing is disabled by default, so I can enable printing from here. And I can enable even Xbox by enabling first UAC. And these are some of the cool features here you can see. And if I go to this PC and see that it is only using around 5 GB of the storage. If I go here, and it is a newly installed Windows, and use space is 4.77 GB. That is very less compared to around 20 GB or 25 GB on a newly installed normal Windows. So let's go and directly look at the installation. Alright, so first let us download the ISO file, and we are going to open this first link. And from here, let's click on download, and from here we will click on Windows 11 builds. And now we are going to select the latest edition, that is Windows 11 24 H2, and we'll click on it. And there are two versions, Home and Pro. So you need to activate these windows by providing the license key that you own already from your previous Windows. So I have Home, I will go with Home. And inside Home also we have another two versions. So I'm going with Windows Home V4. So after scrolling down, we will see here two links. So download link 1 and 2. If first link didn't work, then we will go with second. I will click on first, and I will click on download. So it is around 2.7 GB. So once the download is finished, let's see. So here we have this downloaded file, and we'll click on show more options and extract with 7-zip. So I will click on extract here, and it will start extracting. So this is the folder here, and we'll open it, and we will see the disk image file, the first one here. And we have Rufus tool that is used to create a bootable pen drive that you can use to install on your Windows. So in our case, we are going to use VirtualBox. So because we don't want to reset our PC. So now what I'm going to do is click on new, and I am going to give it name Windows Optimum 11. And I'm going to select the ISO file. I will browse the folder that I have just accepted and select this disk image file. So in the version, I will select Windows 11 64-bit, and in the hard disk section, I will select 100 GB. You can select more if you have more free space. So here, come again to the name and operating system section, and just click on this option, skip unattended install. And now we can just finish. And now just go to settings after selecting this Windows Optimum 11, and go to display settings and select it. Make sure it is on 128 MB. This is the video memory. And now come to the USB section and make sure USB 3.0 is selected. Also go to system and select here at least you can select a minimum of 4 GB, but I will go with 8 GB, so 892, and go to the processors and I will select 8 here. It depends on your processor how many cores you have, so I will select 8. Now it had started the setup. The setup is starting, you can see here. And also it will take very less time for installation because it is a very lightweight version of Windows. So here I can see there are two options. So there is one Defender off and another is Defender on. So you can, if you don't want Windows security, then you can select with Defender off. I will go with Defender off because I want a faster version. So here select this one, drive 0, and click on next. So now it has started installing all the Windows files. So after the installation, it restarted, and here we have Windows Optimum 11. And here you can see the majority of apps are uninstalled. And if I click on all apps, then here are a very limited number of apps. It is free from bloatware, and you can see if I just right click on here, these are the options. So that was all for the video. Thanks for watching.